The cardiac cycle is the sequence of events that occurs in the heart during one heartbeat. It involves the contraction, systole, and relaxation, diastole, of the heart's chambers, the atria and ventricles. Key concepts. Systole, the contraction phase, during which blood is ejected from the heart. Diastole, the relaxation phase, during which the heart chambers fill with blood. Events in the cardiac cycle, 0.8 seconds. Here's a breakdown of the cardiac cycle, with approximate timings. Atrial systole, approximately 0.1 seconds. The atria contract, pushing the remaining blood into the ventricles. The atrioventricular AV valves, tricuspid and mitral, are open. The ventricles are in diastole, relaxed. Ventricular systole, approximately 0.3 seconds. The ventricles contract, increasing pressure within them. The AV valves close, preventing backflow of blood into the atria. The semilunar valves, aortic and pulmonary, open. Blood is ejected from the ventricles into the aorta and pulmonary arteries. The atria are in diastole. Ventricular diastole, approximately 0.5 seconds. The ventricles relax, and the pressure within them decreases. The semilunar valves close, preventing backflow of blood into the ventricles. The AV valves open. Blood flows from the atria into the ventricles. The atria are in diastole for a longer duration, and towards the end, the atrial systole starts the cycle again. Simplified timing breakdown. Atrial systole, approximately 0.1 seconds. Ventricular systole, approximately 0.3 seconds. Ventricular diastole, approximately 0.5 seconds. Atrial diastole, approximately 0.7 seconds. Important notes. These timings are approximate and can vary with heart rate. The stages overlap slightly, so the sum of the individual timings may exceed 0.8 seconds. The heart sounds that are heard with a stethoscope are due to the closing of the valves. The first sound is the closing of the AV valves, and the second sound is the closing of the semilunar valves.